Advances in drone technology are so impressive that it is now possible to find a wide variety of mini drones on the market with cameras that offer impressive results despite their compact size. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 5 best mini drones of 2024, which have excellent camera quality, great performance, professional features, and advanced technology systems. This way, you can find the perfect mini drone with camera for your adventures or projects, and take it with you wherever you go. The DJI Mini3 PRO is not just a nano drone, it's a miniature technological wonder, which weighs no more than 249 grams. But don't let its size fool you, it has some excellent features. Its powerful battery offers up to 34 minutes of flight time, and thanks to its DJI O3 system, you can stream HD video over distances of up to 12 kilometers. Plus, its 4x zoom camera lets you capture stunning images without getting too close to the object of interest. DJI Mini3 PRO. This model is essentially the successor to the Mini3, which raises the standard for compact drones. Its foldable and ultra-lightweight design, weighing less than 249 grams, makes it the ideal travel companion. But what really makes this micro drone stand out is its ability to shoot aerial footage in 4K HDR quality, capturing vivid colors and sharp detail. Plus, with its smart battery, you can enjoy up to 34 minutes of uninterrupted flight time, allowing you to explore and capture for longer. The Autel EVO Nano Plus is one of the mini drones that combines sleek design and power. Its features include a flight time of up to 28 minutes, allowing you to capture moments from the air over an extended period of time. Among the most notable drone parts of the Autel EVO Nano Plus is its 48-megapixel camera, which is capable of 4K drone filming at 30 frames per second, guaranteeing high-resolution images and videos. When combined with its 3-axis gimbal, it ensures smooth and stable recordings, even in unfavorable wind conditions. In addition, it features an advanced obstacle detection and avoidance system, so your flights will be safer than ever. GPRC Cinebot30 HD O3. This is GPRC's smallest drone and is a filmmaker's dream, as it is designed with high-strength aluminium parts and a shock-absorbing pad to meet any challenge. Among its features is an O3 AR unit transmission system, which allows you to view real-time 1080-pixel images at 60 frames per second, while recording in 4K at 60 frames per second. In addition, its compatibility with full-size GP cameras and optimized engine make it ideal for low-altitude filming. Defender 25.4 SHD. For those looking for an immersive experience in any kind of space, the Defender 25.4 SHD FPV drone is the perfect choice. This small camera drone, designed to fly both outdoors and indoors, comes equipped with a 4K camera that records stunning videos in a fully stabilized manner. This makes it a very versatile choice for all kinds of filming, making it one of the most outstanding and convenient small real estate drones. Drone batteries can have a variable battery life depending on a number of factors. In the case of mini drones, an average flight time of 28 minutes can be established. Although there are options such as the DJI Mini3 PRO that can stay in the air for 34 minutes uninterrupted, the range of a mini drone with a camera can vary, but some models offer up to 10 kilometers of transmission, while others are designed for shorter distances, such as 1,000 meters. We hope that among this list, you have been able to find the best mini drone for 2024. Thank you for watching, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.